Hi everyone, in today's class let us learn about functions of classes. In previous class we have learnt about classes, main class and subordinate class. In today's class let us see functions of classes. A subordinate class can do the functions of classes are subdivided into noun class, an adjective class and an adverb class. What is noun class? Noun class are introduced by these connectives: who, what, that, if, whether, where, when, etc. So these are the conjunctions or connectives which help us to form a noun class. A subordinate class that does the work of a noun is called a noun class. That means a noun class is what? It is a subordinate class. It is dependent class. It work like a noun. Examples: I know that she is innocent. I don't know who he is. I asked her what she wanted. She asked me whether I needed her help. These examples, in these examples, she is innocent. As we know that class means we have, it is a group of words with subject plus verb plus predicate. It is called a class. We know that, right? So main class is that, main class is also, it is independent class. It can make sense by itself. But subordinate class is not independent class. It does not make any sense by itself. It has to depend on other class to make it meaningful. So here she is innocent. He is, she wanted, I needed her help, right? You can see that in these sentences she is innocent, subject plus verb is there. He is, subject plus verb is there. She wanted, subject plus verb is there. I needed her help, again subject plus verb is there. I know, again here I know, subject verb is there. I don't know, again subject verb is there. I asked her, subject verb object. She asked me, subject verb object. But these words you can see here, that, who, what, whether, all these words are connectives. All these words are connectives or conjunctions which help us to make a noun class. You can see here. So I know, that is the main class. I don't know, I asked her, she asked me. You can see here. Connectives are that, who, what, whether. She is innocent, noun class. He is, she wanted, I needed her help. She is innocent is make any sense? No, it does not make any sense here. Why? Because it is dependent class. It need the support of main class to make it a meaningful sentence. I know that she is innocent. He is, I don't know who he is. She wanted, I asked her what she wanted. I needed her help. She asked me whether I needed her help. Like this you can make meaningful sentences. That is, noun class is dependent class. It is dependent on main class to make a complete sentence. Here we have used noun class as object of a verb. Now let us see how noun class is also used as a subject, as a subject of a sentence. You can see here examples. You say is right. What you say is right. You are joining here the connectives to make a noun class. She lives is not known, right? Where she lives is not known. Now it is meaningful. He will get back is uncertain. It is not meaningful. When you add our conjunctive words, conjunctions, you can make a noun class. When he will get back is uncertain. She is honest is known to all. That she is honest is known to all. Now we can see the structure of that. See, connectives what, where, when, that. You say is subject. We have subject plus a verb. But here it is dependent on what? It is dependent on a principal class. You say. Only you say, does it make any sense? No. You say is right. She lives is not known. He will get back is uncertain. She is honest is known to all. So all these words you can join together, make a noun class. But here the conjunctions is used as a subject to form a noun class. Like this you can use it. conjunction to form a noun class. Noun class is also made as a subject. How it is used as a subject. Now let us see how noun class like a noun can be used even as a complement. Honest, guilty, all these words are complements. We should do now, we should do now, we should take up the work, etc. My opinion is that she is honest. She is honest, okay. But my opinion is that when you add this class, when you add the main class, you can make the complete sense as noun class. The fact is that he is guilty. The problem is what we should do now. The question is whether we should take up the verb. Whether we should take up the work. Sorry, I misspelled. Next, you can see here main class. My opinion. She is honest is our complaint. But to make a meaningful sentence, we have added a main class plus a connective. My opinion is that she is honest. The fact is that he is guilty. The problem is what we should do now. The question is whether we should take up the work. Like this, as complement also you can make a noun class. Now noun plus noun class in opposition plus principal class is also how we can make a noun class by using this structure, noun plus noun class in opposition plus principal class. The roamer is baseless. The report is wrong. The decision is wise. If you see the sentence, one more sentence is added here. That is, addition of words is added to give another explanation or other explanation. The roamer is baseless, one sentence, but in opposition we have added one more sentence, that he has resigned is baseless. That means in opposition also noun class is used. The report is wrong, but here we added one more sentence to give other explanation, or added some words to give one more, some other external or additional information. The report is wrong. The report that he is innocent is wrong. So in opposition we can make a noun class. The decision is wise, but again we have used the sentence in opposition. The decision that you will give up smoking is wise. So in opposition also we can make noun class. So noun, the roamer, the report, the decision is noun. Noun class that he has resigned is in, we have used in opposition this sentence, that he is innocent, that he will give up smoking. But principal class is baseless, is wrong, is wise. The roamer is baseless, one sentence. The report is wrong, one sentence. The decision is wise, one sentence. But in opposition, noun class is also made by using the conjunctions or connective words like this. The roamer that he has resigned is baseless. The report that he is innocent is wrong. The decision that he will give up is wise. I hope you understood how noun class is made. Noun class is used as a subject. Noun class is used as object. Noun class is used as complement. Noun class is used in opposition. Like this, in 4 ways you can make a noun class. In our next class we can let us explain about adjective class and adverb class. Till then, bye. Like, share, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get all my notifications. Thank you.